Certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Hope you're doing well on this Friday. Of course, it's been rather quiet today. We've had a lot of clouds. Now we're starting to see a little rain showing up on live HD radar, but as you may be out and about later tonight, we're looking at a transition to snow. And yes, we may have enough accumulating snow. It could cause some travel problems. We're at least hoping that the surfaces have warmed up enough today that it's not going to be a major problem on area roadways tonight into early tomorrow morning. But I know the Lexington City crews have already said that they're reporting tonight. They're going to be prepared to at least treat the roads early before it even begins. But it's something we'll have to keep a close watch on. It's an interesting setup because here where we have the winter weather advisory is where we're expecting accumulating snow. Off to the south, though, you look to stay mainly all rain. So kind of that rain to snow line is going to set up right across areas from the Bluegrass region into southeast Kentucky. So there's going to be kind of a big difference between the areas that pick up on the snow and other areas that just stay rain or maybe a little bit more of a rain snow mix for tonight. But this winter weather advisory in effect from 7 o'clock this evening to 7 a.m. Saturday morning. So this is mainly an overnight type of event. You can see live HD radar showing some light rain returns right now on radar. So it's picking up on some light rain. This may actually be having a hard time reaching the ground, or if it is, it's in the form more of some spotty showers, more of a drizzle or light rain, maybe enough that you'll have to turn on the windshield wipers. But just expect this rain to increase as the evening progresses. So we're expecting more of this rain to become more off and on as the evening continues. Fort Bank Skyview, the AIC roofing camera looking off toward Hamburg right now. Overcast conditions this afternoon. It's been another chilly day if you've been out and about, but temperatures have actually gotten well above freezing, with temperatures back into the mid-40s on average. Tonight, rain will start off our evening hours, but it transitions to more of a snow or wintry mix depending on where you live as we get closer to about midnight tonight. And as we continue overnight, we look to stay for all snow, mainly across the Bluegrass area in eastern Kentucky, and more of a rain to wintry mix for south central Kentucky. As we go from late Sunday into early Monday, there's another chance for wintry mix to snow, but there's still some questions as to how that system will exactly set up. But right now we're focusing on tonight with satellite and radar showing more of the light rain. Really doesn't show a lot of precipitation. In fact, there's a warm front to our south. We do have more moisture working its way back in across the region, but we're going to have some colder air working its way back in as well, and that's what's going to transition us to snow as the evening progresses. So Futurecast here at 8 o'clock shows rain showers here at 8 o'clock, but notice as we go forward in time up to midnight, we're now transitioning to snow anywhere from Lexington to Richmond and Danville over toward West Liberty, Jackson, Hazard, Whitesburg, and Pikeville. So kind of a line of snow showers, a kind of narrow swath of snow that extends from Louisville to Lexington to Pikeville as we continue closer to midnight. Once we get past midnight here into the early morning hours of your Saturday, 3 a.m., we're still seeing some snow showers here for the Bluegrass area in eastern Kentucky. But off to the south, it's a little bit more of a rain snow mix to rain, and it does not look to be as much with accumulations off to the south. Most of this tapers off around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're going to be right around the freezing mark, around 31 degrees, maybe just below freezing. So again, there could be some slick spots early tomorrow morning. As far as snowfall amounts here from Lexington, Bluegrass area into eastern Kentucky, 1 to 3 inches on average. There could be some isolated spots, possibly even higher, just because of the snowfall rates that actually may be heavy at times. Off to the south, only a trace to about a ½ an inch possible at best. And then again, Sunday, we got another weather system developing to our south. We're going to start off Saturday evening rather quiet. Overnight lows around 30 on Sunday morning. We start off below freezing as the day goes on, though, not showing as much as far as any precipitation across the region. For tonight, overnight lows around 31 degrees. As we head into your weekend, we're looking at mid-40s to start off the weekend. Sunday, back around 45. Don't forget to turn your clocks ahead 1 hour Saturday night. As we go into next week, we'll start a little bit more of a moderating trend by the end of next week. We'll have more news coming up.